Hello dear fans. What is Yasak? The development of Siberia in the 16th to 17th centuries and bringing it under the rule of the Russian crown brought stability to this region, and also granted the rights of citizens of the empire to all its inhabitants. However, along with rights, indigenous peoples also acquired responsibilities. The main duty that they had to carry was Yasak. The word Yasak came to the Russian language in the 17th century from the vast territories of Siberia, which were then actively developed by the rapidly expanding Russian Empire. It is predominantly Mongolian and Turkic roots, translated from the languages of various peoples of Siberia as power or submit. At its core, Yasak is a tax imposed on both nomadic and sedentary tribes on the lands brought under the rule of the empire. Yasak was paid mainly with furs, sable, marten, fox skins, but sometimes with cattle or even money. Collecting Yasak in the rich Siberian expanses was extremely profitable. Excellent furs were exported and sold at great prices. Accordingly, Yasak was an important source of income for the imperial treasury. In 1763, a special Siberian order was issued, regulating various aspects of the collection of this type of taxes. According to him, for most tribes and clans there was a separate assignment of the volumes and procedure for paying the tax. As a rule, the amount of taxes was determined on the basis of the number of people that make up the tribe, the wealth of the territories in which it lives, certain types of fur-bearing animals, as well as the state of settledness of the people. Initially, Yasak had a very serious impact on the well-being of the indigenous Siberian population. A very large amount of the tax increased due to the abuse of official position by those responsible for collecting it. Often, to secure the payment of taxes, the collectors took hostages from among the inhabitants of various tribes. This situation was the reason for many complaints from the inhabitants of Siberia to His Imperial Majesty, as a result of which in 1727 and 1739 several decrees were adopted changing the procedures for carrying out Yasak duties, in particular, allowing their partial payment in money. This did not significantly improve the state of affairs, which resulted in the issuance of the Siberian Order of 1763 with the simultaneous sending of Major Sherbachev's seconds to Siberia to ensure its proper execution, as well as compiling inventories of tribes and peoples with a fixed tax rate. Thanks for watching.